Hello everyone, this is going to show you how to add an outcome to a quiz. Now currently we are using classic quizzes, so we can add a rubric and the outcome to a quiz right now. However, when we move to new quizzes in the future, you will be able to actually attach an outcome to specific questions in a quiz. For example, if you have 10 questions and maybe the first 5 questions hit on an SLO1, you can set up the outcome to only measure or assess those first 5. But currently, in classic quizzes, we cannot do that. And I'll explain that more later, and I'll put another video up there once we move over to moving from classic quizzes to new quizzes. All right, so first of all, again, we're going to look for the outcome that we want to use. We're going to not create, but we're going to find. Come to Account Standards, drill down. Imperial Valley College, drill down. Again, look for your course, your subject area. I am English. Let's choose one I haven't hit before for demonstration. Let's just pretend I'm doing English 250. In English 250, there are 3 SLOs. If my chair told us to assess all 3, I could click add all outcomes at one time. However, he only wants us to do SLO2, so I'm going to add that. Once it's added, click Done. Now this outcome is saved in Canvas, so when we go to quizzes to download the outcome, it's there for us to grab. So the first thing you always want to do is find the outcomes that you need. Next, we're going to go to assignments, or you can go to quizzes, but I just go to assignments. Sorry about the delay. Okay, so my assignments are listed in categories. Let's go to reading and grammar quizzes. Let's choose quiz on persuasion and argumentation. Okay. So we're going to want to add a rubric. So we will click on the 3 dots or the snowman, click Show Rubric. I don't have a rubric currently, so we'll add one. Now I don't use a rubric for quizzes, but in the future we will be able again to attach outcomes to specific, but we don't need a rubric for quizzes. If you do, you can find your rubric, but right now I don't need a rubric, so again I can click remove points from rubric or just click the trash can, get rid of it. The rubric I do need is the outcome rubric, the one that says met, does not meet. So find the outcome. The outcome we're looking for is, we said English 250, and we were SLO2. Now here, again, you don't have to touch anything here except here. Use this criteria for scoring. We don't want to add this to the grade, their course grade. We just want to assess the assessment itself, the SLO. So unclick that box, click import. Notice that the outcome is here now. Remember, if you have a rubric, you can differentiate between the rubric criteria and the outcome, because this looks like a target to me. All right, so let's create the rubric. Let's X out of it. The next thing we want to do is we want to assess these. So we're going to go to SpeedGrader, and you'll see student here, and you'll click the arrow, or you can click this arrow and go through each. So the grade's already there for me, but click View Rubric, because remember, we can go back if we need to and attach these to quizzes that have already been completed. So this student had a 8.5 out of 10, so it's an 85. So she met the threshold, 70%. So if it's 70 above, meets. If it's below 70, a 69 or below, does not meet. And again, if the student did not take the quiz, do not add any outcome here, because it'll throw off, it'll skew our sample size, our results. Okay, so let's say she did meet it, save. That one's done. And just keep again, click over here or click down wherever you want. Go through and do this for everyone. View rubric, click the outcome, save. Keep doing it, doing it, doing it. And when you're finished, you're done with all. If once you've completed all the students, you are done. And then Nuventive will be able to come and pull the assessment for the outcome criteria out. That's all you have to do. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.